What's going on, viewers of YouTube? My name is Tyler of Chico Crypto Consultants, here to break down some ICOs, crypto news, and just overall cryptocurrency. As most of you guys know, the market has slowly been bleeding. This isn't anything out of the ordinary. Bitcoin had a substantial rise, and all cryptos have had a substantial rise, and a correction was coming. Most of us knew that. We'll have to see how the price plays out for the next few weeks, but I think after it corrects into a healthy state, it will have another liftoff. I would say 3 weeks to a month away. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about a recent ICO that happened. They sold out very quickly, and I think this platform has a ton of freaking potential, and that platform is the Link Network. So let's talk about it. The Link Network provides smart contracts with data, bank payments, and access to APIs. It aims to solve the connectivity problem, one of the key limiting factors for smart contract adoption. As developers deploy their smart contracts, they're unable to connect with key resources like off-chain data and APIs. The lack of connectivity is due to the method by which consensus is reached around blockchains. Therefore, it's going to be a problem for every smart contract network. So let's talk about the goals of the Chainlink platform. They want to provide a secure and decentralized middleware known as oracles that can be used to communicate with centralized data feeds. The second goal is to become a standard solution use case for financial data, financial agreements, insurance, and many others. The use cases are endless. And finally, to combine and interact with other off-chain services such as payment gateways, execution of contracts, and other actionable services on any API. So before we get into technical details, I want to open my cold beer. Love drinking brew with you guys. Hopefully some of you are out there drinking with me. So getting into technical details, Chainlink's actual system will consist of two separate parts, on-chain and off-chain. These will have to interact in order to deliver the service. This system has to keep the results from oracles correct, as well as allow oracles to make them independently. This is where the interesting part presents itself. An oracle could be something like the New York Stock Exchange, providing accurate trade information, or the Visa network settling transaction. The Chainlink network aims to onboard them all in one swoop, itself acting as the onboarder for every API, payment gateway, etc., etc. So now let's go over the Chainlink token. In order to compensate the off-chain needs of the Chainlink system, the Link token is established to pay them. The token is required to perform this function, so its demand is therefore related to the number of other people doing the same thing. As with most of these token schemes, the real means test is when the system goes live and whether or not a lot of people join and start using it. So we're going to have to see that. I don't have the information on the mainnet when it goes live, but that is in the roadmap, which I'll post a picture of at the end of this video. So the strength, they're solving a significant problem in the crypto world. It's very significant, as shown with Ethereum. Establishing a secure and trustless link between blockchains and off-chain feeds. The possibility of big-name companies using Chainlink are endless. There's finance, legal, gambling, payments. The list goes on and on. Chainlink already has an established partnership with Swift, a banking and transaction company. So Swift has used and validated the concept of some of the Chainlink technology already, so a working product, very interesting. The weaknesses I got, it's unclear the specific token allocation and how the tokens and funds are being used to pay management, advisors, and personnel. And only 33% of the tokens were sold via crowd sale. So it's difficult to come to a conclusion with the information, but in my opinion, they're going to use the funds for actually building the Chainlink network. The use case for this is outstanding, so I don't think they would want to ruin their chances by scamming anyone. So let's talk about the token supply and price. There will be a total of 1 billion tokens, and currently there are 350 million circulating. Chainlink is trading right now on Ether Delta. It's a decentralized Ethereum-based exchange. The price has been hovering in the 16 to 17 cents range since being listed. In my personal opinion, it's a steal. If Chainlink captures the market like they plan to, we will see $1 per Chainlink by March of next year. I just picked up $1,000 worth on Ether Delta. The crypto has all the components to be successful: a use case, a working product, and a solid team. So this is going to segue me into, guess what? Neo. Neo is a smart contract platform, and they are going to need something like Chainlink to perform. I am praying, hoping that Neo has thought of this and is looking for solutions. Hopefully they're in talks with each other, because I think getting Chainlink working with Ethereum, Neo, and all the smart contract platforms will only increase usability beyond crypto enthusiasts to the rest of the market. So Neo price has dipped a little. We're down to $17. Gas, although it has had a little moonshot, rocketed up 50%. It's sitting at about $11.20 to $12 range, depending on when you look at it. Good time for Neo holders to sell their gas, reinvest that money made into Neo to produce more gas. Again, the self-reinforcing loop of Neo is an amazing, amazing thing. Not really much news coming out, which has led to the slow bleed. Neo's going to be holding its value against BTC pretty well, I believe. The project is going to be the future of China, in my opinion. So, I mean, $1,000 Neo is not out of this realm of possibilities in a year or two. So, YouTube, I appreciate you watching me. All the comments, every one of my fans has been very, very kind. There's a few trolls out there, but shit, don't let those fuckers get to me. Have a good day.